Noswaith dda, mae'n braf cael eich cwmni heno. Good evening, it's nice to have your company tonight. Rhybudd y gall ffermydd, fynd i'r wel, yn sgil, gostyngiad, mewn pris llefrith. A warning that farms could go out of business due to a drop in the price of milk. Cyfres 4 a pennod rhif 2 gant a phump. Series 4 and episode number 205. Mesuriadau. Measurements. Okay, Noswaith dda, da's become that. Adjective after a singular feminine noun. Soft mutation, da to da. Fynd, rhybudd y gall ffermydd fynd i'r wel. After the subject, in a short form verb sentence. So mynd has become fynd because it's the word after the subject. And it's ffermydd is the subject. Mynd i'r wel and sgil. Pennod has become phenod after a, the conjunction. Means and, causes 3 letters to mutate, P, T and C. And that's it. This episode called Mesuriadau. Measurements. Mouth's not working again. Yeah, different measurements really. So let's start off. New words. Millimeter, 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 centimeter, centimeter, meter is a meter, kilometer is a kilometer, modvev is an inch. Okay, right. All of them ones before were all metric, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, all to do with meter. They're all masculine. These ones, modvev and troedvev, inch and foot, are empirical measurements. Measurements that were used before we standardised to kilograms and things like that. National sort of standardisation. What's it called? Imperial metric, yeah. So the imperial ones, inch and foot, modvev, inch, and troedvev, foot in the measurement, are feminine. Okay, gram, metric. Is it gram or gram? Depending on how you spell it. That's masculine as well. Kilogram, masculine. Pris. That means pressure, weight, burden, importance, significance, emphasis or stress. But in this case, it means pound in weight. So it is imperial, pound in weight, but as it's got other meanings, it's masculine, that's what I'm saying. So because it means pressure, importance and emphasis as well, it's masculine, that one. So that's how I remember that one. But also ounce is an ounce, and stone is a stone. They're feminine, them too, because they're imperial as well. But puis isn't. Or you can remember all the ones that are feminine by going inch is an I, F for foot. That's the word if, inch and foot, if. And stone and ounce, so, if so. You can remember it like that. The other way, like I said. The imperial ones. I help you remember the masculine ones and the feminine ones. There's games from there as well. Doing the counting as usual, like een and hun and hono and chwe, all different mutations that happen in different places, whether something's feminine or masculine. So little games for that. Then revision on the prepositions. We don't need to do that. Well, I'll do the last 2 sentences actually. Rhedwch am y bryniau, bob dydd ac that means, rhedwch am y bryniau, run for the hills, bob dydd ac eithrio penwythnosau, every day except for weekends. Roedd yn ystod y rhyfel. It was during the war. Rhedodd fi lawr y bibell. It ran down the pipe. Gwaethaf y tywydd, mae popeth yn iawn. Despite the weather, all is well. Mae'n yrwr taxi ac yn athro. He's a taxi driver cum teacher. Mae'n ymwneud a'ch cyflwr meddyliol. It is concerning your mental state. Mae'r llyfrgell wrth y swyddfa bost. The library is by the post office. That wasn't a trump, that was my creaky chair. And then we have, fe wnaeth pawb ond Sioned ei fwynhau. Everyone but Sioned enjoyed it. Dim nofio y tu hwnti'r pwynt hwn. No swimming beyond this point. Mae'n sgwrs rhwng ffrindiau. It is a conversation between friends. Mae'r tymheredd islaw 0. The temperature is below 0. Mae o tu ôl i'r wal. It is behind the wall. Mae angen I mi wneud hyn cyn ddydd Llun. I need this done before Monday. Okay, let's jump on to the new ones for today. And then if we've got any time, we'll do some more. Dyma'r cyfanswm. Llai costau. It is the total, less costs. Mae'n debyg iawn yw dad. He is very like his father. 7 minus 2 yw 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Roedd y daith bron a dod I ben. The tour was near completion. Bwytaodd, I think that's how you say it.
Bwytaodd gwneud allan o becyn.
Bwytaodd, gnau allan o becyn. That's the, oh, come on to that. He ate nuts out of a packet. Dylen nhw ei dynnu oddi ar y bwrdd. They should take it off the table. Costau is costs, plural of cost. Debyg, soft mutation of tebyg, means a like, likely, similar, akin, likelihood, them kind of words, adjective or noun. Dad, dad is the soft mutation of tad. Father. Bwytaodd is the formal third person singular past of bwyta, means he, she or it ate. And bwytaodd is like the colloquial version of that, so you don't have the A in there. So I've put that in there as well, informal or colloquial or spoken, and then the formal is the polite or the literary or whatever. Formal. Gnai is nuts, soft mutation of gnai. Becyn, soft mutation of pecyn, means packet. Dylen, that's how we say dylen ni or dylen nhw. They should, we should, means should. It's the first and third person plural conditional of dyllu. D-Y-L-U. Dunny is the soft mutation of tunny, means pull, extract, subtract. Is that a word? Or the R means off, or from, or since. Is a prepositional, phrasey thing. Right, out of time. I'll see you tomorrow.